Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Right Wheels YouTube channel. Making a video that I never really wanted to make. There's been a recent problem with my car and I'm not too happy about it, but I gotta share it and I gotta fix it because if not, it's just gonna get worse. The other day I was driving around and I accelerated really hard and the car just stopped. No more power, nothing. It just died completely and the engine started shaking and it was really bad. I didn't know what to do. So I got out my handy little scanner, I guess, and I plugged it into the car, diagnosed it, and the problem was that there was something wrong with the throttle body. Basically, either the valve was stuck open or stuck closed. Not a good thing. So I did a little more research into the problem, and turns out I actually needed a new throttle body. So just the other day, I went down to the Ford dealership and picked up a new part, and I was so excited when I picked up this part because I thought it was going to be like $300, $400 like I had been told. I got it for 80 bucks, like 85 plus tax, so I was so ecstatic. It was the best thing ever. So in today's video, we are going to be installing the new throttle body. I'll give you a little step-by-step procedure on how to do it, and we'll make this car run again like new, and it's gonna be so much better. Let's get this car back to its running perfect order, and let's restore that power back to this beast. So we're gonna pop open the hood, prop it up, and get started. Right now I am taking off the intake tube to get better access to the throttle body. So now that that's out of the way, we can start out taking off the throttle body. The first thing we got to do is disconnect this sensor right here. Taking off the throttle body, it's just 4 easy screws. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we have the old throttle body out. It's time to put in the new one. You see it's all pretty dirty and I just cleaned it last week and it's already disgusting again. That's why another reason why we're going to replace it. So now let's put in the new throttle body. So again, it's just 4 simple bolts. Put it right back there where it belongs and put the bolts back in. We'll get the top 2 bolts in first. Just gotta hold it in place, and then once we get that done, we can tighten them all down. Get in 1 bolt just to hold it in place. Second top bolt. And now I'm just kind of finger tightening them in there just to get them locked in place before we tighten them down. If you guys like this video, remember to subscribe and leave a comment down below on what else you want to see. Another thing, I just recently signed up for this app called Patreon. It's a website where you can support the channel by donating money every month. So I'll put the link for that down below in the description. Any help is appreciated. So go down below, check out the website, and donate if you like. Have a great day, you guys.